What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can add a payment method to Udemy platform. So with that said, let's head over to my laptop and get started. Once you're logged into your Udemy portal, you want to ensure that you are on the instructor view. Now, once you're seeing your courses, you know you're on the instructor view and you'll see student here. To switch to the student view, if your view looks like this, then you select instructor to switch to the instructor view. Then you hover over your profile icon here, then select payout and taxes. Currently Udemy allows two payout methods. They allow PayPal and they allow Payoneer. So it depends on you which one you want to use. However, to receive money in PayPal, you're going to pay a little higher fees than that of Payoneer, and PayPal is not supported in a lot of countries. Well, it is supported, but you can withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. So it's better to go with Wise if you are outside of the States or Canada, right? So if you want to go with Payoneer, select connect, and then if you do not have an account, then select the option that you want to use. So Payoneer allows you to get a Payoneer card as well as a bank account. So if you say bank account, right, if you don't have an account, it's gonna say sign up. However, if you already have an account, you just select sign in and the information will be automatically populated. So I'm going to go back. If you're going with PayPal, it's similar. You'll select login with PayPal and then it will take you to the PayPal website and ask you to log in and automatically link your account. So that's how you add a payment method to PayPal.